Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today we're unraveling one of the top mysteries of the world that even Sherlock Holmes would scratch his head at. So grab your detective hats and let's get started. Ever heard of the Windsor Hum? It's a low-frequency noise that drives people bonkers in Windsor, Ontario. Some say it's the sound of a giant otter snoring, while others blame it on secret government experiments. Whatever it is, it's enough to make you want to invest in some serious earplugs. The Hum of Windsor, because every town needs its own theme song, even if it's just a never-ending bass note. And there you have it, folks. It's just one of the mysteries that keep us guessing and laughing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more utterly entertaining content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.